Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change album cover in Google Photos. You have to start by opening Google Photos application. Then go to Collections at the bottom. Also, make sure that you sign in into your correct account. You can select another account or add your account. So then let's move to Collections. Now we need to enter to the albums and select the album. So let's say I wanna select this. Then at the bottom we have on the right side this pencil icon. You need to tap at this icon, and here it is, we have album cover. Click at the pencil icon again, and now select the photo. So let's say I want to change it on this photo. And you can choose only between photos what you have inside the album. So maybe you need to add some photo to edit. It's also pretty simple. We need to return to the photos feed, and let's say I want to add this, add album, and then we need to select this album. Now we can return here, select the album, pencil icon, and now we have one more photo. Okay, now select it, and as you can see I just changed the photo, so now we have this photo here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!